ever. Yeah!
Boneyard is brought to you by
Clark Ford. TNT Custom. Kong 3D Target. Western Skies Argo. And these other fine sponsors.
All right, so it's what is it, October 19th?
Yes, it is.
And I headed down south to hook up with Jay to hunt mule deer. So I'm taking the first heavy two, or maybe spike that I see if I can get into them. And then we're gonna go for a big one, but we're just doing a little shooting before we head out to try and kill one.
How about a heavy 3?
I'll take anything, man. Launch train.
and trying to get in front of them.
Seeing the box in here.
Got a 3-point over here, but he sees us.
This segment is brought to you by
Clark Ford, located on the west side of Gasoline Alley, Red Deer, Alberta.
Oh yeah, he's 150. He's chasing him around.
Yeah.
We had $4, $5 in the field, and we just couldn't get around them in time to get off the field. So we're just gonna keep cruising and maybe come back here in the morning. Well, the bucks are out today. We're seeing deer all over the place here. These 4 bucks are just in the wrong spot, where that heavy 2 would be.
Killing sticks. Premium carbon fiber arrows.
My mule deer hunt ended that day. After that deer, we didn't get to stalk it. I got called to work, and it's the oil patch, so I had oil patch work, so I had to go do it because it's been in the toilet the last couple of years here in Alberta. So went back, did the job, and never got to go back. But then the next year, my neighbor phones me up and says, "Hey, my wife's got a moose draw. You want to go for a cruise?" And I said, "Sure, maybe we'll see a mule deer." They're both nice, man. Must be. And it feels like I'm 500 pounds.
My dog's been shot. My horse they ain't yet found.
Safe enough for now. A couple more days though.
They're dead. Calvin, we got lots of time. They have no idea we're there. Right, go real slow. Go slow, yeah. And wait till that one goes out of our view, but we can probably get to these next two trees on the left-hand side there. Yeah, like they're all standing up. Like, you know, are they on this side too? Well, there was a few on this side and on that side. Our wind is perfect. We have all the time in the world. That's what f***ed me up the other day is I rushed those two. Okay. Like I say, let's go as slow as we can to this spruce tree. Just, if it takes us 20 minutes, it takes us 20 minutes, you know what I mean? Just whatever. But once you're there, now you're approaching the 80 to 100 yard mark. The last 60 yards is what always kills me. Smoked them. Yeah, baby, go down. Yeah! He's fucking down, buddy. Oh, buddy.
Right on, man.
I can't fucking believe it. I can't fucking believe it. Holy buck, come here. Shake my hand. I'm going to holy. Yeah, man. Yeah. 65. Fucking boom.
Smoked them though. He went down?
Oh, yeah, he's down. Yeah. Right
Oh man. He turned a bit more. I'm like, oh, I don't know. Like, but I'm like, no. Center punch him on the crease.
Yeah.
And you did.
Matt got a deer yesterday, a mule deer. Center punched him through both shoulders. And so then I texted him and said, hey man, we should go out in the morning. I got a kitchen pass. We went out, we saw two big bull moose fighting. It was unreal. Then we come here, spotted these deer from far away, snuck in, and just like that, he walked in front, 65 yards. The LTs, I mean, they're just smoked him. I love the speed of this APA Mamba 34, and yeah! I can't believe I got one. First mule deer with a bow. Can't believe I got her done. Yeehaw. I'm gonna walk, he's laying right over there. He went about 120 yards.
Where's the... Yeah, you never passed you, eh?
Slowly I build this wall of mud. Maybe we'll change it into something we can love. It's not like I really needed much, just the clothes on my back and a little bit of luck.
Yeah, you gotta love it when a plan comes together. This buck read the script. We just come around, walked in it was a perfect wind, and it just walked right in front of me. It was awesome. 65 yards. I'm loving the Mamba and the LT combination. It's just, I was shooting the day before and just laying them in there at 70. So when I can range them, it just gives you that confidence, and yeah, it worked out perfect. And I want to give a special shout out to Cam Clark, Ford, you know, Sean and all the people there, Doug and Jordan have been so great to us. Thank you.